Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, it is nighttime out. I hope you all are having a great day or night so far. What I have done tonight, I decided to take out my door speaker because it was making a very horrible scratching noise, which I figured was there's like a mount we made to put on it to fit a different size in my door. And I'll show you in a little bit, but it was halfway on the surround, so it was making it scratchy. So I decided to take it out, and I got it fixed and centered just right. And then when I went to plug it back in, no sound. And I looked, and the little tinsel lead that goes from the plug to the coil was snapped right off. So I was like, crap. So I went on Amazon, and I ordered some Skar audio mid-range speakers, and we're gonna put them in when they get here, hopefully in a couple of days. And I'll bring you through that process. Also, sorry if I sound funny, but I'm trying to get over a pretty bad cold right now. Here's the speaker. This was the bracket we had over it to fit on the factory mount, which is this. And it was halfway on. It was kind of like that, pushing on this, which made it like scratch. So I took that off and I figured out a way to mount it without using that on the factory mount. And if you can probably can't see through the GoPro, but there is right there, it's broken. Since you probably can't see that, I'll put a picture on the screen right now. And so basically that snapped off probably when I was pushing on it because it's really old. These are probably like 20-year-old speakers, and didn't work when I plugged it back in, obviously. So I had to go order some Skar audios, test them out. If they're not that great, I'll return them and get some other ones, but we'll find out when they get here. These are the speakers that I ordered. They are the Skar Audio FSX65 300 watt 6.5 inch 4-ohm mid-range loudspeakers. And all the reviews said the sound quality is amazing. But I'm rocking the factory head unit, so I won't get anywhere near 300 watts, so we'll see if it'll even power them. It might not even power them, but we'll find out. They were cheaper than the coaxial ones, and I was like, might as well try them, so we'll see. Now I have to put my door panel back on, but I really do not want to because I just got to take it off again. But they're not going to be here for a couple of days, and I don't want to drive around with no door panel. It's very inconvenient. So I guess I'll put it back on. And just like that, door panel's back on. Only took like 3 minutes. But yeah, there we go. I'll see you when I get my speakers. Oh yeah, look what showed up. Very nice looking. Pretty stiff. Quite heavy too. Let's get started. Okay, let's get this off. Start by taking this out, the lock, and there's a bolt right there, and one right there. And then it'll lift up. Oh, and we gotta take this. Take that off, and it'll come right off. Forgot one. Except now it's not coming out. There we go. got that out. See, something's missing. Gotta get that in. Okay, what I have here is the old bracket that the speaker fit in, and here's the new one. Only issue is it's way too small. Even going from the back side, there's it doesn't go. So we're just gonna have to bolt this straight into the door. Dang it, I didn't want to do that. I have no idea if you can see this, but I'm gonna mock it up here with the yellow paint pen. Let's see. Oh, this is annoying. I can't get it off. Okay. Now we can drill those out and get some self-tappers in there. There's a different angle, hopefully that's better. Just gonna, instead of getting a drill bit out, see if I can just do these with the self-tapper and then put the speaker on there. This is the right size. Well, apparently that's not the right size. Okay, we're back. I accidentally grabbed the wrong one. Got the right one this time. Oh wow, that was nice. Hopefully that's not too close to the edge. Well, there you go again. Maybe I will get a drill bit. Probably be more effective.
Totally gets in there.
Okay. Got those all drilled out. Now I'll just run the self-tapper through so we can get it started instead of getting metal shavings in my new speakers. Okay, on this here truck, the front positive is tan and the front negative is gray. So positive, negative, get that speaker hooked up. Looks like it's lining up good.
We'll have to get something different to tighten that down. The second it gets to the edge of the speaker, the socket touches it.
Okay. That's in there nice and tight. Not going anywhere. There we go. Very good. Alright, let's get to the door panel back on. Then we'll move to the other side. I realized that I was so excited to get these in, I forgot to get video of them moving without the covers on. So I'm sorry about that, but the covers are on and they're in there. You can kind of see them. I don't know if you can see them through the camera. But yeah, I've had them in there for about a week and they've been doing great. Amazing sound quality. If I could pump some more watts out of the original head unit, then they'd sound even better. But that being said, it's the original head unit and it sounds amazing, really. So I'll get some demos for you with just those, and then with my whole everything. And I have the Skars in the front with the factory tweeters above them. Then I have Infinity's 4x6s in the rear doors. And this Infinity Kappa 10-inch subwoofer. That's being powered by a kicker amplifier because there used to be a kicker in that box. So I'll get some demos for you. Hopefully that's an adequate amount of time for you to see how they sound. It most definitely will not come out through the GoPro, but we'll see if it's even close. All I know is they sound pretty good, and I'm happy with them. And for 30 bucks for the pair, I'll take it. It's really nice. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.